Hi Noah. At this point in the problem, I think is where you are at and needing some help. So we've added to both sides, squared both sides, and now you're asking about squaring this right-hand side. How do you do that? And so I wrote it as multiplying by itself twice. Okay? And then I'm going to just FOIL it. So first is 3 times 3. So it's this first one times this first one. O is the outer ones. So 3 root y plus 4. Then the inner 2 for I. And then the last 2 is going to be y square root of y plus 4 squared. Okay, so then if we simplify this, let me move this down a little bit. Our first becomes 9. Our inner 2 we can put together, so we get 6 root y plus 4 plus, and then this y plus 4 square root squared, the square root and the square cancel each other, so we get y plus 4. Okay, and then we want to collect like terms, so the 9 and the 4 can go together, so we get 13 plus 6 root y plus 4 plus y. And now this is what's going to go back into the equation up here. So the result on the left-hand side is going to be 7y plus 1 is equal to, and the right-hand side we just found to be 13 plus 6 root y plus 4 plus y. Oh, that one's slow. I'm not sure why. Okay, so then we can collect like terms. Again, get stuff on the same side of the equation. So I could subtract 13. So I get 7y minus 12 is equal to 6 root y plus 4 plus y. And then I could subtract y from both sides. And I'd get 6y minus 12 is equal to 6 root y plus 4. And we'll see if you can handle it from there. Let me know if I can clarify anything. Thank you.